Look no further than the 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an inspired GL Class that delivers first-class luxury and performance, excellent build quality, legendary engineering, and a commanding presence. This full-size premium SUV will be your family's oasis of calm and security as you navigate the journey that awaits. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Give your family the luxury and security they deserve in this meticulously crafted GL Class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.